Assalamu alaikum girls, this is Sidra Hassan. How are you all? Hope you are doing well. Girls, as you know that we have completed our chapter multiplication, and today we are going to do some recap of multiplication. So what you have to do, that you have to do it in your notebook. You have to write the date in this manner and then make a heading of multiplication and then do the sum. For example, it is given 3130 and we will multiply it by 4. But can you multiply it mentally? No, it is not possible because it is 3130 4 times. So I don't know the table of 3130. I just know up to table up to 10 or table up to 12. So how will I do this? So the greater number I will write on the upper side and 3130, and this is actually called multiplicand, right? And I will multiply it with a one digit multiplier. This number is called multiplier. Okay, repeat with me that this number is called multiplicand and that this number is called multiplier. Then I will solve it. How can I solve it? That I will write ones, tens, hundred and thousand. First I will solve it with ones. 4 zeros are 0. 4 threes are 12. So I will write 2 here and 1 will be the carry here. Okay, now 4 ones are 4 and the carry will be added. So it will be 5. Now 4 threes are 12. So I will write 12 here because there is no other number over there. So this answer is called the product. So today I have told you and recap you about these things. The upper number is called multiplicand, this number is called multiply, and this number is called product. Okay, girls, you can do your work colorful in your notebook, and I have given you assignment also in the Google Classroom. So you have to do that assignment in the workbook. Okay, girls, stay safe and stay happy. Bye bye. Have a good day.